In this video, I'll show you how to create social media videos with Kling AI step by step. First, open Kling AI and decide what type of social media content you want to create. You can make short promotional videos, storytelling clips, product videos, cinematic scenes, or attention-grabbing visual content. Before generating your video, choose a simple idea that can communicate its message quickly. Social media viewers usually scroll fast, so your opening scene should immediately show something interesting. Now write a clear Kling AI prompt. Describe the main subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. Keep the prompt focused on one main scene. For example, you could write, a stylish sneaker rotating slowly on a clean studio platform, soft dramatic lighting, realistic reflections, premium commercial style, and a smooth cinematic camera movement. If you are creating a video for a vertical social media platform, plan your composition accordingly. Keep the main subject clearly visible and leave enough space for captions or other elements you may add during editing. After entering your prompt, generate the video and wait for the result. When the video is ready, preview it carefully. Check the subject, motion, camera movement, background, and overall visual quality. If something doesn't look right, adjust the prompt and generate another version. Try to change only the part that is causing the problem. You can also generate multiple short clips and combine them later. This allows you to create a stronger story with different scenes, camera angles, and transitions. For promotional content, focus on the product or message. For storytelling content, focus on the characters, environment, and sequence of events. Once you have the clips you want, export them and complete the final editing. You can then add captions, music, voiceover, branding, or other elements before publishing.